Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can enhance your prompts or prompt quality in your Adobe Firefly video generation project. So let us guide you through this. So you will need to navigate to the video generation tool here on Adobe Firefly. Click into the Generate tab at the top, and here you may go through your prompt history here. You may also, if you have already created a video clip, you may use that here to adjust or to add changes to it by changing your prompt here a bit. So in this case, you guys, you may use, you may highlight your prompt and delete it if needed, or use the same prompt and ask, for example, Firefly to enhance the prompt by clicking into this button in the bottom right corner before you start the video generation process by clicking into this button. And after that, as you can see, Firefly will work on enhancements for your prompt, and you will see that notification here, prompt enhanced, and it will add a couple of words that may align with the overall style or topic or tone of the given video clip. And that's it guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.